Do you want to make more money? Because here's 5 no bullshit ways that you can make more money in South Africa. The first one is to sell your skills. Whether you are a graphic designer, a tutor, or a content creator, you need to sell your skills. Number 2 is to flip something. Whether it's a couch, a phone, a car, or even a bicycle, the idea is to buy something for cheaper than it's worth and to sell it for more. Number 3 is to use what you have. Whether you can rent out your camera, rent out a back room, or even use your car for delivery, you need to use what you have at this moment. Number 4 is digital hustles. We live in an age where you can do everything online, so make sure that you can sell something online, whether it's on Takealot, whether it's a course or some form of skill, but you need to leverage digital hustles. Last but not least, you need to multiply money. You will never be able to save yourself rich, so you need to find some form of way to multiply your money, whether it's Bitcoin, property, shares, ETFs, whatever investment you choose, you need to multiply your money.